Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to tackle a common issue faced by Windows 11 users: Chrome not opening. It can be frustrating, but fear not, we have got straightforward methods to help you resolve this problem. So, let's jump right in. The initial action to address the Chrome not opening problem is to terminate any active Chrome processes using the Task Manager. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and then selecting Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, locate the Chrome process, right-click on it, and choose End Task from the context menu. Our first method involves renaming the Chrome executable file. This can sometimes kickstart Chrome if it's having trouble opening. Navigate to the location where Google Chrome is installed. Right-click on the Google Chrome shortcut, select Properties and then click on the Open File Location button. Find the chrome.exe file. Right-click on it and select Rename. Change the name to any other name you prefer. Right-click on the renamed file, then choose Show More Options and select Create Shortcut. Now, try to open Chrome again. This renaming trick can often resolve the issue. If renaming didn't resolve the issue, let's proceed with our second method. Open a different web browser, visit the official Google Chrome website, and download the installer. Then, proceed to install Google Chrome. After the update is finished, Chrome will launch. You can now delete the shortcut you created. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.